Hi, Miss M6736. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Agnes Baruga, 50 years old. I am Catholic. I work as a caregiver. I have two children. The eldest is 26 years old and the youngest is 21 years old. And I I have experience for taking care of a newborn, elderly, bedridden, and dementia patient.
Okay, tell me about your experience as a helper in Qatar.
I have experience in Qatar for taking care of baby and cleaning the house, changing diaper the baby, uh, checking temperature, and giving feeding.
Okay, and on your second employer in Qatar.
My second employer in Qatar is also I'm taking care of baby, two kids. The one is 8 years old and the one is 3 months. And I give both foods. The but my priority is the newborn.
Okay, so you have two different experience in Qatar.
Yes.
On your first employer was an elderly, right?
Yes.
Bedridden.
Yes.
And on the second one is newborn
Newborn
and 8 years old,
yes.
right? But you are three helpers in the family, right?
Yes.
So you are accompanied with other helper to do tasks, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, since you have an experience taking care of a newborn, so you know how to prepare milk.
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I try to give foods. But if the baby is not is still crying, I'm checking the temperature and checking that diaper.
And if the baby won't stop to cry?
If the baby is not stop crying, I inform the mother to the baby is not stop crying. So maybe she have something to pain in her body.
Okay, so you will tell the employer that the baby not feeling
Yeah.
well. Okay, do you have any idea or why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because that is a good place, high salary, and nice place.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
It's depend the employer. After 2 years or more than 2 years.
So it is okay to you to extend.
Yes.
Okay, so do you have any relatives in Hong Kong?
I don't have, sir.
So you don't have, but it is okay to you to work in Hong Kong, right?
Yes.
Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
Actually, sir, I don't have idea, but I try to cook and learn. I check in the YouTubes like that, so that I can learn how to cook the foods of Chinese.
Okay, if your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food?
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with a baby?
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Taking care of pet, like a cat, like that.
Yes.
Yes, I care also.
How about taking care of elderly? For sure, it's okay with you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know how to taking care of elderly, right?
Yes, sir.
How about learning their language?
Maybe I check in the Google to learn how to speak the language of Chinese like that.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, hi. If I'm the one you chose, I taking good care of your baby. I love your baby. Seem like my daughter, and I take good care. Seem like my daughter like that.
Okay. Can you promise also to follow the rules and regulations?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Agnes. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, madam.
Okay.